Hey girlies, I'm finally doing my eyebrow tutorial like I've promised. So I'll make it quick. I'm gonna this maybe 10 minutes. It takes, I do mine quick, but I'm gonna try to make it in like show you how to do your eyebrows like within 10 minutes. I have affordable items. Most of my stuff, like my makeup, like face stuff, I have like from Sephora or MAC, but like my eyebrows, my concealer that I use Beauty Supply. My eyebrow gel, I think this is from the Beauty Supply. I might be lying, but it's affordable. Pencil, I use my pencils. My brush, it's a flat angle brush you use. I use this. This is like a eyebrow setting gel. This helps keep your eyebrows intact. And Q-tips. I'll show what the Q-tips is for. All right, so let me start. So you'll start doing your eyebrows. You'll start brushing it up in the up direction, brushing it down. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. And then I'll use my setting gel to just basically put it in the direction that I want. Lay the hair down. Do this one too. All right, so I'm gonna let it dry. You'll use this again, so don't put it too far. You'll use this again after you actually finish your brows. So you'll set it again. My pencil. So when you do the pencil, I use brown. Brown is more of a natural look, whereas if you use black, it's nobody really has black eyebrows. So brown, it gives it a more natural look. So when you do the brown, you literally just start light strokes and you go with the natural shape of your brow. So it's basically like you're tracing. So just go ahead. And I'm gonna use my mirror. I'm using the phone to put it, but it's kind of weird. So I'm gonna be looking at my mirror in front of me while I put it on, but you could watch. I'll tilt my head. But yeah, you're just lightly stroking it. Yep, you just go ahead. All right, it's still light, but now the tail, usually this is how I see if like, because sometimes you see people with their tail like hair, or you see people with their tail really short. I do, so you'll do like from the measurement of the pen to like here. So you will make your tail exactly probably where I have it right now, and you just keep filling it in. You fill in the brows. All right, so you start with this. I always start with the end first, and then I don't really do much in the front, only because you want it to be as natural. Like, you ever see people who have their eyebrows done and it's really boxy, and they're like, why is your eyebrows boxy? Nobody has boxy eyebrows. So I'll show you how you would give it a natural look. So you just lightly, like literally lightly, right? So you see that line right there? So you do that line, and then you do it here as well. See? Okay. Now you go go up. And I'll show you what I'll do. What I usually do. Alright, now. Alright, still filling it in. You see, look at the some little light spots. I had my AirPods in and I said the S-I-R-I name and she turned on. But anyway. Alright, so you don't need to do it too dark because I'm gonna show you what I do afterwards. Now, my concealer. I take my concealer and put this amount on my hand. You take your flat angle brush and you catch both sides. Now I'm gonna use my mirror so I can see close. So you wanna, like, you're basically lining the eyebrow. Okay? Gently line the eyebrows. And when you get your concealer, the trick of making it look the way it looks is to get a shade lighter than what you are. You can do it with the with your actual complexion, but it makes it more sharp when you do the shade lighter. All right, let's see. Okay. See? Okay. Now, when I first started doing my eyebrows, I didn't know nothing. I didn't know what kind of brush, what kind of nothing. So I just did my own thing. So people use blending brush or whatever kind of brush. I still don't know what kind of brush you use for your eyebrows because I use Q-tips. Just hear me out before you be like, what? I use Q-tips. So I use the Q-tips. So now I was just literally just start lightly cleaning it in, blending it in with the Q-tips. Okay. I just know, I don't know. I know how to mix it in. Like, I'll use the same brush and I'll just, like, if I'm doing eyeshadow, I'll brush it down but whatever. But I just literally got accustomed to using a Q-tip. And it's been working for me for years now. I ain't seen no rules and say you can't use it. So use the other side now. All right. Boom. You see? It wasn't too bad, right? All right. So now you see the front. The front still looks like kind of a little boxy. We're gonna fix that. But first, my eyebrow gel. I use the eyebrow gel now to darken it. You can keep it like this. I like mine a little more darker. So I just tap it like that. And I just lightly stroke it. You see? Now I'm gonna give a little bit more for the tail. And this is how you finesse the tail. Boom. Boom. All right. Now, the front, like I didn't really touch the front like that because the front, you don't really want to do too much. So now what I do, I take the spoolie and I lightly blend it in. I'm blending the front in. You see? Now you see that like right here, it might have like a little light piece. So I'll just touch that up with the brush. A little darker. And you see, don't worry about these, the concealer looking there, because I don't have on foundation. So right now, what I would do is put my foundation and that will be covered up. But this is a quick makeup tutorial. I'll do the other eye off screen so you can see both, how both will look. And if you just want to make it a little sharper, you will go over with the pencil again. Just clean it up. But that's how I do my eyebrow. I hope this was helpful. And then I'll be right back. I'll go do the second one. Hey guys, so this is what it looks like to have both of my eyebrows on. But this, no more than 10 minutes. You know, as a beginner, you'll probably take longer, but this is it. No eyebrows is identical, so you probably be like, oh, one look higher or one is more arched. I don't have the same eyebrows. I actually have one eyebrow more arched than the other naturally. But yeah, it's neat. It's not too crazy. It's not dramatic. That's how I do it. I hope this was helpful. Sorry it took me so long to do it. I know Demara, I think it took me like 7 years to give you this. So, but I'm happy that I was able to do it. This was fun. So the next tutorial, I could probably show you guys how to do something else. But just give me the requests and then I'll find the time to do it for you guys. But I hope you love them. I hope this was helpful. And I can't wait to see how you guys flick your own shit. But all right, thanks. Tell me how you like it. Bye. Love you guys.